How to treat unhealthy plants. Plants, like people and animals, can develop a number of diseases. Whether you see it in your house plants or out in the garden, diseases can destroy your greenery quickly if not treated, prevented, or destroyed. Natural remedies. Many of these treatments involve making and using a spray. It is best to use the spray in the early morning or in the evening. Do not spray when it is too hot, or it may burn your plant's leaves. Before trying any spray, you would be wise to test it on one leaf first. Apple cider vinegar. Dilute 1 tablespoon of vinegar in 1 gallon of water and use to treat fungal infection on any type of plant. It can also help treat black spot on aspen trees and on roses. Baking soda. Another fungicidal spray is made with baking soda. Mix 1 tablespoon of soda with 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil and add to a gallon of water. Shake the mixture well and add to it 1/2 teaspoon of castile soap. Chive spray. This mixture is useful for treating downy mildew on vegetables like pumpkins, squash, and cucumber. To make it, steep a large bunch of chopped chives in boiling water. Strain the chives out and use the liquid to treat the vegetables. It can also help prevent apple scab. Garlic spray. To prevent fungal infections in any plants that you feel are susceptible to them, you can use this effective spray. To make it, you need clematis leaves and the papery outer covering of garlic. Chop them up together in a blender or food processor with water. Strain the liquid and use it as a spray. Pruning the infected area. Once an infection is noted in a plant, it's important to prune it out immediately. Pruning cuts should be made at least 12 inches below any discolored plant. This is because discoloration is a chemical response by the infected plant. Watering regularly. The amount of water may vary from species to species. Find out the average moisture needs of your particular plant and then get a moisture gauge. Apply a layer of mulch or rocks to the soil surface to slow moisture loss. Monitor plant. The plant monitoring system is helpful for watering the plants and to monitor few parameters for growth of plants. By this you can come up to a solution that will be benefited by plants.